Introducing Aqua Clarity, the easy-to-use hot tub maintenance program that reduces biocontaminants and organics while keeping your water crystal clear, healthy, and inviting. Aqua Clarity is designed to leave a smaller footprint on the earth with completely recyclable materials. To use, grab an empty and clean gallon jug. Fill it 3/4 of the way full with your tap water and pour the 6-ounce concentrate into the container and let it mix thoroughly. Then place the supplied Aqua Clarity label on the jug, and that's it. For the best soaking experience ever, pour 1 ounce of the solution into the hot tub for every 200-gallon capacity weekly. Aqua Clarity works with any and all sanitizers and is extremely cost-effective with enough to treat a 400-gallon tub for 1 full year. Now you can enjoy crystal clear and healthy water all the time without breaking the bank or your back. Aqua Clarity, the name says it all.